Does screen time cause autism? This is a very common topic of discussion among parents, among therapists, as well as among pediatricians. So whether screen time, whether the child looking at the screen, it could be a laptop, a TV, or a mobile, or an iPad, any kind of a screen time, then will it cause autism? Many parents take the blame among themselves, thinking that this is the reason why their child is not speaking or maintaining eye contact or does not respond to a name call. But as such, screen time can worsen the symptoms of autism, but it will not cause autism. Why? Because autism is a neurodevelopmental disorder which has features of a difficulty with communication, with social interactions. So when a child is on the screen, is addicted to the screen always, what happens is they have a lesser time or lesser interest in the environment around them. So when a child with autistic symptoms already have difficulty with social interactions or communication, what do is they tend to depend on the screen more, and they also want to be alone or aloof, and they tend to get that in a screen. Screen time, again, it makes the child very passive. There is a passive learning that is happening. There is no interaction or a reciprocal interaction happening when the child is addicted to a screen. What we want the child to have is an active learning, doing and learning. And also, screen time makes the child very happy with himself without interacting with others. And what they view in the screen, they do learn concepts, they do learn things, but that they don't learn by doing things. It's just by passive watching. So they tend to depend on the screen more and not go or reach out to their peer group or reach out to the parents or the grandparents, and they tend to actively associate themselves with inanimate things rather than with people around. So these things can definitely worsen the symptoms an autistic child has. Not just for children with autism, even other developing children without atypical children without any difficulty can have withdrawal from others, can have less play because they are depending on screen time more.